Traders, it's Anthony here. I'm looking at Bitcoin. I've got this open on the daily chart. Okay, so this is in a bullish trend. If I pick up the Fibonacci tool and pull it from low to high, this is traded down into our optimal entry zone, this 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci. It actually spiked further. At the moment, we can see these pin bars under, telling us that buyers or the bullish momentum is really holding this up at the moment. So what we're going to do is go down to, well, we'll go down the time frames, and I'm going to be looking for an entry point. All right, so what we have here, we have this 4-hour trend bullish. However, just be a little bit careful. See how we're seeing these lower highs here? That's a little bit of a concern at this point, right? Now we have this break below here, a bearish break here, with displacement to the downside. In other words, the thin candle. Let me just show you. Break of structure. See this thin candle? It's displaced to the downside. There's a lot of selling behind that. There's a big volume behind that. So we may possibly see more downside. So the way that I would approach this would be to map out this trend here. It's a downtrend, and at some stage, and I'll be looking for this on the 4H. At some stage, I mean, look, it could travel further. But at some stage, it will reverse, and I'm looking for the reversal. Okay, so when we see this break this trend here, and we see a break of this structure, call that a change in character, and then the next one would be a break of market structure here. That could be a cue to get involved. And we could go down to the 15-minute time frame and watch this on this time frame. See how we're seeing these lower lows, lower highs. At the moment, yeah, we've got this higher low setting up here, so we need to wait to see if we break this trend bullish. All right, so it could happen up around here, it could happen below, but that's what I'd be looking for. In fact, we could perhaps trade this on the 15M. So watch out for, higher highs setting up, and then the break of this. It might happen here. It could happen down further. We could see more downside, but at some stage, this trend that we're seeing here by the diagonal line is going to be compromised, and we'll see a break of market structure. And that's the cue to get involved long. That pretty much wraps it up. That's my take on Bitcoin at the moment. I am bullish. And yeah, I think we've got some exciting times ahead. It's traded into all-time highs. It's reached 72 big handle up here, you can see. And yeah, I mean, that would be a target. Okay, so wait for the price action to set up, and that could be our cue. So with that, love to hear your comments below. Definitely leave a comment. Have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.